Alright guys, hey, so in the actual email swipes document, I do have a cold calling script because I know some of you out there like cold calling. Personally, I don't like it, but it is the most effective way to close clients. So in this cold calling script, it's very quick, very straightforward. You can go in and you can change the grammar and stuff because this is the way I talk, so this is the way I write. But this is the sickest thing when it comes to cold calling and selling SEO and selling a ranker rent SEO services, because you cannot close them on the first call. You can, I've done it, but it's very difficult, and just don't even bother. So what I like doing is giving them a call, right? Telling them what's up, and then following up with a second or third call or a second or third email, and then telling them, and then closing them there, right? So let's just get started. I'm going to show you what this script is. I first off, I call them, I say, hey, can you hear me okay? And I don't really introduce myself in the beginning because that's what telemarketers do and that's what marketing agency guys do. So that's not good at all. So after you say that, be like, hey, this is Ryan, this is Jack. I have a couple home staging leads or landscaping leads here in this area that needs servicing. Who would be the best person to talk to about that? So you want to go right to the decision maker, and you do this by just straight up telling them that you have leads, you have referrals, you have all this stuff. So it kind of breaks the gatekeeper. And this is one of the best ways that I've tried, and it works the best. And once you get forwarded to the decision maker, most of the time, sometimes the decision maker picks up the phone, but for bigger companies, sometimes you need to break the gatekeeper. And then I go ahead and say, and I do the classroom method. Like, hey, I run a marketing class. We decided to create a test site for this industry and get some leads on it just to show my students how it's done. Now, we don't own a home staging company. We don't own this type of company, and we are getting leads, and we're just trying to find out who would be the best company who can service these leads. And if they're like, yeah, you can send, and you'll get a varying results of what they say. Some people will just hang up, whatever, their loss. And some people will be like, yeah, sure, you can send us the leads and whatever. And what you want to do in that example is qualify them, make them qualify themselves. So you ask if you can and you ask them, can you please send me the best email that I could reach or the best phone number I could reach? Because I am trying to find the best company to service these leads. I am calling a couple other companies today, and by the end of the day or by tomorrow, I will be contacting one of the companies so I can give these leads to. So what would be the best number? What would be the best email? And that's it. That's literally it. You do not sell them on Ranker Rent. You do not sell them on SEO. You literally call them, you tell them what's up, you tell them that you have leads, you tell them that you have a site ranking, whatever, and you are trying to find the best company. Because in all honesty, that's what you're looking for. Because you're not looking for a crappy company to service these leads. You're looking for an actual good company that will make the customers happy. Right? And that's the angle that you have to take. And this is why positioning is so important. This is the position that you have to take in the emails, and this is what the position you have to take on the cold calls. Right? Everything is very important. So you take the position of you're trying to find the best company. Why are you the best? That's it. And you can even take it a step further. Please send me some happy testimonials of happy clients, so I'll know that you actually service these leads the best way. Right? You can even take a step further and say that. So you have to make the business owners beg to rent out your Ranker Rent site. And this is what happens to me time and time again, because what's going to happen to you, because if you take this positioning, the business owners will sell themselves for you. They'll sell themselves to you, like, please give me the site, and they'll say, I am the best person to service these leads, please give them to me. No other SEO agency does this, and so pretty much and that's it. You do not introduce yourself as a marketer. You do not introduce yourself as an SEO agency. You just straight up say, hey, just give a little this quick 10-50 second background information. Hey, I run a marketing class. We decided to create a home staging site and get some leads to it. Now that we're actually getting some leads, we're trying to find the best company to service them. Now, could you please give us the best, could you send us a couple testimonials to see why you're the best, or could you please give us the best email that we can reach and all that stuff. But the reason you ask this initial thing, that we wanted to find the best company who can service these leads, sometimes business owners are not looking for more leads. They're just not. They don't want to scale. They're done. They're good with what they have. So you just want to ask them would they want these leads. Sometimes they'll say no, sucks for them, and sometimes they'll say yes, send them over. Now most of the time they'll say yes, send them over. Like 90% of the time they'll say yes, send them over. But you just take it, you take a step back, be like, hey, it's not that easy. We're trying to find the best company to service these leads. Now, could you please give us the best email and best phone number? We're calling a couple other companies today, and we'll be contacting the best one that we find fit to service these leads. And that's it. That's the angle you want to take, and that's so key and that's so crucial. I'm giving you guys the absolute enchiladas here. Like, this is absolute gold, and you can scale this to the moon. If you guys had any questions, hop over into the Facebook group.